I, Kim Wright, being the returning officer at the above election held on Thursday the 7th of May 2026, do hereby give notice that the number of votes was recorded for each candidate at the said election as follows. Camille Jean Therese Ainsworth, the Green Party, 601. Sandra Asonse, Reform UK, 392. Angela Joyce D'Souza, Labour Party, 1,456. Jolene Dias, Reform UK, 408. Floyd Anjo Dias de Rosario, the Conservative Party candidate, 1,211. Charles Peter Fernandez, the Green Party, 611. Elizabeth Gordon, Liberal Democrat, 231. Douglas Lee, Liberal Democrat, 182. Lloyd McLeish, Labour Party, 1,166. Vanita Sunil Mendonca, Reform UK, 364. Ishma Yunus Marine, Labour Party, 1,139. Ibrahim Nawaz, the Green Party, 526. Pranav Patel, Conservative Party candidate, 1,151. Andy Porry, Independent, 106. Harmit Vyas, the Conservative Party candidate, 1,054. Jonah Weiss, Liberal Democrat, 135. The number of ballot papers rejected were as follows. Want of official mark, 0. Voting for more candidates than the voter was entitled to, 15. Writing or mark by which voter could be identified, 0. Being unmarked or void for uncertainty, 4. Rejected in part, 0. The total rejected ballot papers are 19. The electorate was 11,449 and the turnout was 32.68%. And I hereby declare that the said Angela Joyce D'Souza, Labour Party, Floyd Anjo Dias de Rosario, the Conservative Party candidate, Lloyd McLeish, Labour Party, are duly elected borough councillors for the Wembley Hill ward.
I'd like to thank each and every one for your trust and support. This victory belongs to all of us. I'm truly honored by the confidence you have placed in me. I assure each and every one that I will work with honesty and dedication for the welfare of residents in Wembley Hill. My priority will be always listen to your concern and support our community. Together, we can build a stronger, safer, and brighter future. Thank you once again for standing with me throughout this journey.